2016 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso exclusive, diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass, keyless entry, keyless starting, rear parking sensors, rear camera, 7-seat version. This is very clean car. Front parking sensors as well, panoramic roof, half leather seats, massage seats as well, electric massage seats. It has a footrest here that you can put up as well if you wish. Glove box, as you got your locking wheel nut here, there. Blinds on the back here as well. Blinds. Isofix, 3 Isofix seats there. It has these pockets in the floor here with your inflation kit in there. Another pocket this side. You can see the table here. There's one this side as well. And these are your seats that lift up out the floor. Electronic tailgate. These lift up. This is your seat in here. Push your seat up like that. You can see the seats are in good condition. It's here as well, lifts up. As you can see, seats in good condition. Luggage compartment cover here, covers to here. So it covers this area here. So shut the tailgate, push this button here, and the tailgate shuts. Still got the plastic on here. Covers, as I say, there's another cover here. Lift up, storage compartment, very handy. You can see the rear seats are in good condition. This table will fold away if you don't want it. There's a little light there as well. When the ignition's on, you push this, the light will turn on. Blind this side as well. Separate heater control in the rear. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. Has a massage seat as well, this side, the driver's side. We'll enter the vehicle. Got a pocket here, nice pocket here to store stuff if you wish. You can take this out as well if you don't want it in. There's armrests on both front seats. Start the vehicle up.
Andrew Tate and his brother were seen in handcuffs being escorted to the court.
Reversing camera. You can shut the blinds if you wish. Here. Vanity mirror. You can push this down if you wish. I'll bring it back. Got a massive windscreen. This allows you to see the back seat. This is obviously your vehicle, to see the vehicles out there. This screen here. Navigation. Your car. Park assist. Temperature. This is basically self-parking. Lane departure warning. telephone button here. This is your Wi-Fi when you're got Wi-Fi connected. This is your vehicle sensors. You can change this screen up here. You have heated rear window. This puts everything up the screen basically. Handbrake here. Lock, unlock. You have this pocket here, very useful pocket here. It's got USBs and everything here to connect your phone and everything to. Quite a nice, decent sized pocket that is. Store stuff. Vehicle's done 46,775 miles. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.